Your team captain in eFootball isn't just a player wearing the armband. It represents leadership on the pitch and adds a personal touch to your squad. Whether you want your strongest player to lead or simply choose your favorite star, the game allows you to easily switch your captain through the team management settings. Within the just few steps, you can assign the armband to the player who best represents your style of play. So once you open the app, go ahead and tap on My Team option that is between match and contracts. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on Game Plan option, which is the initial option in this page. Now go ahead and tap on your team logo. Now select in-match roles that you will find between autoplay players and automatic match support. Once you're in this page, go ahead and tap on Captain. You'll see the list of the players in your team. Go ahead and select your new captain. Now tap on Done in the bottom and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and change captain in eFootball. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.